Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello,
Miss
Miss.
Wara.
How are you guys?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
And you?
Yes, I'm fine too. I hope you guys always in a good condition. Okay. Before we starting our material today, let's start with basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, in this chance, we would like discuss about my adorable pet. This one kind of descriptive text. Can you guys tell me a little bit about descriptive text? Miss Ajeng, Miss Ade, can you tell me a little bit about descriptive text? Just in your mind. What's called descriptive text in Indonesian?
Ya, saya Miss.
Yes, of course.
Itu deskriptif teks itu adalah teks yang nanti menjelaskan tentang sesuatu, entah itu benda, hewan, manusia atau yang lainnya. Seperti itu,
Okay.
Miss.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. Now, here is the explanation about descriptive text. Miss Ajeng, can you read this in this slide? Can you read?
Yes.
Yes.
Description. A description is a text which describes a particular person, place, and or thing. The structure of description: one, identification, and two, description. And then description usually use simple present tense.
Miss Eka, can you explain or just read this in the text?
Okay, Miss. Description text is a text describe about particular person, place, or thing. Jadi teks yang mendeskripsikan tentang apa bisa orang, tempat, ataupun suatu benda.
Okay, good. Okay. From in this slide, we know that descriptive text adalah suatu teks yang mendeskripsikan suatu orang, tempat, atau barang, atau bisa juga sesuatu. Nah, di dalam descriptive text itu biasanya terdiri dari dua struktur. Yang pertama adalah identifikasi, yang kedua adalah deskripsi. Dalam descriptive text biasanya kita menggunakan simple present tense untuk membuat kalimatnya. Oke.
Atau dalam kata lain, descriptive text itu adalah menceritakan suatu objek itu secara spesifik, secara mendetail. Ya, it's have to be detailed when you describe something. Nah, untuk di struktur descriptive text sendiri, itu ada identification and description. Identifikasi adalah itu pendahuluan berupa gambaran umum. Nah, itu nanti isinya gambaran umum. Like if you wanna describe a cat, I have a cat. My cat names is, nah namanya, terus habis itu apa nih, kamu punya kucing, terus kucing kamu tinggal di rumah kamu, kayak gitu, itu baru masuk di identification. Terus yang kedua strukturnya ada description atau deskripsi, yang isinya adalah berisi tentang ciri-ciri khusus yang dimiliki benda, tempat, atau orang, atau hewan yang sedang kalian deskripsikan. An example like itu berisi kayak sifat-sifat, tampilan fisik, atau hal lain yang dituliskan secara spesifik. Contohnya kayak warnanya, he has a brown fur, dia mempunyai bulu berwarna coklat. He has two legs, dia mempunyai dua kaki. Terus he has a beautiful wings, nah, dia mempunyai sayap yang sangat indah. Terus he likes to jump everywhere. Dia suka lompat di mana aja. Nah, itu nanti masuknya ke description. And then nah, di descriptive text itu pakainya simple present tense. Nah, verb yang digunakan itu biasanya berupa kayak be, to be, is, MR, kayak gitu. Terus tensesnya yang digunakan kan simple present tense. Nah, jika kita sedang mendeskripsikan suatu objek, yang kita deskripsikan itu harus fokus hanya pada satu objek itu. Misalnya kita mendeskripsikan about cat, kita mendeskripsikan sebuah kucing, ya kita hanya fokus kepada cat yang kita deskripsikan itu, tidak boleh melenceng. Terus he has a friends, namanya, dia punya teman namanya rabbit. Nah, kita kok melencengnya ke rabbit, padahal di judul kita sudah dituliskan cat. Nah, itu tidak boleh. Terus noun itu menggunakan kata benda yang spesifik, misalnya kayak my cat. Nah, harus disertai itunya harus lebih spesifik, misalkan kayak my cat, my lovely cat, terus his puppy, terus my beloved bird, kayak gitu. Jadi itu lebih spesifik, enggak misalkan cuma a cat kayak gitu. Itu masih general dan itu nanti bisa masuk ke kategori jenis teks yang lain. Nah, simple present tense yang digunakan itu kata kerja bentuk pertama. Misalnya kayak the cat has 2 ears, the cat has 4 legs gitu. Jadi kan pakainya yang verb 1 atau kata kerja bentuk pertama. Bisa juga pakai action verb, misal tuh kayak sleep, walk, sing, dance. My cat like to sleep, my cat like to jump, my dog like to catch me, kayak gitu bisa. Terus nanti bisa juga pakai figurative language, kayak misalnya her skin as white as the snow. Nah, bulunya itu putih seperti salju gitu. Pakai perumpamaan itu juga boleh kalau misalkan pas bikin descriptive text. Itu seperti itu ya, teman-teman. Mau ditambahin kayak my love to my cow is as big as the ocean gitu juga nggak apa-apa. Jadi cintaku ke sapiku itu sebesar samudra gitu juga boleh.
Next is Miss Desti, can you read in the slide? Miss Desti, can you hear me? Oke. Miss Ade aja coba. Can you read in the slide?
Yes, Miss. Descriptive text. A descriptive text consists of the topic and the detailed information. Information to describe people. Name, job, age, personality, physical appearance, behavior. Information to describe things, color, size, part of things. Information to describe pets, name, kind of animal, body parts of animal, quality or character, and behavior. We describe people, animals, or things to introduce, identify, or express good or bad things about them.
Okay, from that text, we know that the aim of descriptive text adalah bisa menjadi informasi untuk mendeskripsikan orang, mendeskripsikan sesuatu, mendeskripsikan binatang peliharaan, atau mendeskripsikan yang lainnya. Dan di sini nanti kita akan mencoba untuk mendeskripsikan seekor hewan peliharaan. Okay, next is
Okay, Miss.
this. Can
So
anyone
cute.
please read in the slide? Okay, Miss Desti, can you read this an example?
All right, Miss. The title is My Lovely Cat.
Okay.
That is my cat. Its name is Amy. Amy is an adorable cat. It has beautiful paws and cute ears. It has big eyes, clean fur, and long whiskers. Although its fangs are so sharp, Amy never bites me. I love Amy very much.
Yes, Miss, I am.
Yes, of course.
My lovely cat. That is my cat. Its name is Ami. Ami is an adorable cat. It has beautiful paws and cute ears. It has big eyes, clean fur, and long whiskers. Although its fangs are so sharp, Ami never beats me. I love Ami very much.
Okay, that's great, Ajeng. Okay, from the text we know that it describes a
Animal.
A cat.
yes, it's an
A cat
animal.
is
Yeah, it's a cat. A cat. The name is
Ami.
okay. Coba salah satu dari kalian sebutin apa yang dideskripsikan sama kucing Ami ini. Apa yang menjadi ciri-ciri dari Ami ini? Can anyone please?
Hmm.
Ciri-cirinya apa tadi yang udah dibaca sama Miss Ajeng? It has beautiful.
Yes, Miss.
Beautiful paws and
Yeah.
cute ear.
Yeah, and then it has big.
Yes, Miss.
Big eyes, clean fur, and long.
And then a beautiful paws and cute ears. It
Yeah.
has big eyes, clean whiskers.
Yes, that's true. Okay, we will go in the next slide. Okay, what is it? Anyone wanna try to read and answer in this picture? Hanif, Desti, Ajeng, or Ade?
Oh. I have a rabbit.
Yes. Then,
His fur is white and black.
yes.
He has long ear and a
Then,
short tail.
yeah.
He has cute red big eyes. My rabbit like to eat carrots and other vegetables.
Then, please read until the end. Coba dilanjutin. Ajeng, Ade, Hanif.
When I really release my rabbit out of his cage,
Yeah.
he used to jump everywhere and hard to catch, ya Allah. So I could just put him on his cage because I'm afraid that he might running away. I don't want to lose my rabbit because I love him very much.
Oke, jadi ini mendeskripsikan tentang apa?
Tentang kelinci.
Kelinci.
Ya, that's true. Oke. Kelincinya ini mempunyai ciri-ciri seperti apa? Coba dari teks yang udah dijawab sama Desti tadi.
Bulunya warnanya hitam sama putih.
Ya, that's true, Hanif. Oke. Wait. Ya. Let's go to this picture. What is it?
Puppy or dog.
Yes, that's true. Okay, I would like to ask you to make some sentence. Please write 3 sentences that describe this picture. Hanif, can you describe in this picture? Give 3 sentences that describe in these pictures. Okay, maybe Desti first.
Yes, I am.
Oh yes, Hanif.
That is a dog. This
Yeah.
fur is brown.
Great. Terus?
It has short ears and it it it, it food
Yes.
is what is it?
Good.
Or
He has 4 legs, right?
yes, it's enough.
Yeah, that's great. How about Miss Eka? Can you describe this picture in 3 sentences?
Yeah, I think the dog has a black eyes.
Yes. Once
Can you
again.
hear my voice? Okay. And then the dog has brown fur.
Okay, that's great. Okay, next, Desti. Please answer. Give 3 sentences about these pictures.
That is a dog. His fur color is brown. He has
Yes.
2 ears and a beautiful tail.
Yes.
Enough, Miss.
Yeah, great. That's better too. Okay. Can anyone still have any question about in this material? Ajeng, Ade? Can you hear my voice? Anyone still hear my voice?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Before we go to the next material next week, apakah ada pertanyaan dulu sebelumnya tentang materi hari ini?
Tanya, Miss, tanya.
Yes, of course, Hanif.
Okay, thank you, Miss, for the time. I want to ask about what is difference between description and report. Yes.
Okay, what is the differences about between descriptive text and report text? In descriptive text, we describe a things, place, or animals in a specific word. Jadi kita kalau di descriptive text itu mendeskripsikan seseorang, sesuatu, atau barang itu dalam kata-kata atau kalimat yang lebih spesifik. Nah, kalau di report text, we just meletakkan informasi-informasi masih secara umum, belum secara spesifik. Can you get it, Hanif?
Yes, Miss.
Anyone still have a question for this material?
Enough, Miss.
I think enough, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
So clear.
Yes. If there is no question, I'll provide some tasks in a Google Classroom for next material and for next meeting. So please answer the question clearly. Okay, guys?
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, I think enough for this meetings. Before we finish our meeting today, let's say hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Assalamualaikum
Miss.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.